Hello art friends, it's Carolyn's here. We're going to use some of our jelly prints to create a page for Valentine's Day. I'm starting off just by painting some cool blue, green, and gray squares on my page. And a little tip for you, on these craft paints, I like to take a bit of the paint and put it on the top of the lid because I store them in a container so I can just look down in the container and see what color I want. So I'm not being very careful, just painting squares, and I had put a little bit too much water on my brush, so I'm going back and adding a little bit more to the aqua square. Next, I'm going to take those jelly prints that I've trimmed down to a rectangle to fit into my painted squares, and I am going to cut hearts out of 8 layers, so I get 8 different patterns of hearts. You could leave it here and just glue the hearts down, but what I decided to do was to take those hearts and then cut them into thirds. And this is for my faux stitched heart idea. You could also take the part you cut out and glue it down, as I was showing you there. So like I said, I'm taking one piece from 3 different hearts and then I'm going to glue them together. I'm using this DAP 1-stick permanent adhesive. It's cool because it has 2 applicators on it, one which is a broad tip and another one which is fine tip. A tip for doing this, I found it was a lot easier if you glue the middle section down first and then glue each side on. And I did cut 1 extra heart by accident, but it kind of was nice because then I could choose my patterns and not have any lined up, because I was trying to choose one from 3 different of the hearts. So the idea here is having that cool color background with the warm colors of the reds and pinks of the heart. So after I had all my hearts pieces glued down, I took a Posca marker and just outlined it and drew faux stitch marks. So like we are sewing back together our hearts. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video and it gave you some inspiration to go create a page for Valentine's Day in your journal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, give us a thumbs up, and share.